Good morning, all my friends. Today I am showing you how can I make a organic vegetable garden. Very simple. Take a small look at small tin container. I make it. This is look. This is lettuce leaf. It's good for salad. This is water pinnas. This is water pinnas. This is water pinnas. And this is cabbage. This also lettuce. So many lettuce. This is cabbage. This is cabbage. This is cabbage. I make it only small container. Look here, like a tin container. Nothing. This is also another different types of lettuce leaf. It is good for salad and more protein is there. Look here, and then I have to plant it some mint. Mint. How nice the mint. Nothing only. How can you propagate? Cutting the stem and put into the soil, it become a leaf. Mint. You purchase in the market of the stem from one bundle of a mint and put into like this is nothing a container. Look here, I will make it a cloth. And look here, this is this is mint. Good, you can do good for mint. Then here you good. There is ram. His leaves is very delicious. You can, if any eye problem, eyesight, small kids, it's more important. You can make a dish for your children. Good for them. How it is nothing. Only it is unused bucket. I put this, and it become grow like that. Then I am showing you about cherry tomato. Cherry tomato. Now, how much cherry tomato is come? More in the cherry tomato. How much? I have few days ago I have planted more. How it more. How it is grown now? Nothing. Only putting the seed and it become a. Look here. How much it come? One is ripen. Look how. All are cherry tomatoes. All the cherry tomatoes. So much cherry tomatoes. Look, all are the cherry tomatoes. All how much? So many tomatoes. Small. And look here how much small leaves. All are the cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. These also cherry tomatoes. So many fruits came. Many fruits came. Many fruits. Small cherry tomatoes. More delicious. Small cherry tomato. Look how much is coming. Look, the brands of it. No need to take care. Only you can take a rooftop. Nothing on the rooftop. I make a roof here. Nobody. Only I spend my time here. And some flower also. Some flower also. Some flower also. I have planted some chili like that. Some flower plant also here. This is Byriphyllum, Pathar Chata, and this also some flower plant. This also. Look, I need a small piece of. No need to more small, only small thing you can make. It's good, look too nice. It's small piece of, not more piece, no, small piece. I take it very small piece. How nice the leaves and fresh leaf. You can take fresh leaf. And look, fresh leaves. All are the fresh. And today prepare some here also. Fresh leaf. Delicious. Inorganic, no chemical fertilizer use. Only I putting the seeds and become a plant. Look, nothing. Very nice to look. Only this is water pinnas. Water pinnas. Yes, look here how it is. Nice. Look, very nice. Look. rooftop garden. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day for all.